Hey there everyone, welcome back. Today we are on the MSC Magnifica. We are on deck 8. Now this is a passenger cabin deck, and we're going to show you where all the cabins are in relationship to crew doors, stairs, and elevators. Now if you've never seen us do one of these decks before, I cannot turn the camera for you to see every single door number or you get seasick. So I'm going to use my finger to point them out. Now when we do this, do us a huge favor. When you see or hear your cabin number, leave a comment below and when you're sailing on the Magnifica. Right? So we're at the front of the ship. We can't circle around, so I'm just walking here to the end so we can start and head back that way. Hopefully that makes sense. All right, so we are all the way at the front of the ship. As you can see, emergency exit. So you've got 8001, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, crew door, 31 and 33, 35. Now to continue on, you got to go to the elevators and then go this way. All right, a little interesting. Crew door, crew door. And here we go. 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, crew door, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, 57, 59, 61, crew door / emergency exit, 63, 65, 67, 69, 71, 73, 75, 77, 79, 81, 83, 85, and we have sort of a midship elevators and stairs. There's 4 elevators and stairs on this one, so I'm not sure what to call the 2 in the center. I guess they're both midship. Again, that's 85, 87, 89, 91, 93, 95, 97, 99, crew door, 101, 103, 105, 107, 109, and again, another set of stairs and elevators right across from 8109. 111, 113, crew door emergency exit, 115, 119, 121, 123, 125, 127, 129, 131, 133, 135, 137, 139, 141, 143, 145, a little jig jog here, 147, crew door, 149, 151, and your full aft elevators and stairs. Okay, 153, 155, crew door, 157, 159, emergency exit / crew door, 163 and 61, 65, 67, 69, 71, 73, 75, 77, 79, 81, 83, 85, 87, 89, 191. Access to the outside, which we'll go take a peek for you. Well, this is a nice little hidden area, huh? Interesting, huh? Just a little space. Again, 81, 93, 95, 97, 99, crew door. We're switched over to the evens. That's 224, 222, 220, 218, 226. Here we go. 216, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 202, 200, 198, 96, 94, 92, 90, 88, 86. Again, we're in the 100s. 84, crew door. 82, crew door. 80, 78, elevators and stairs. 176, 174, 172, 170 right there, crew door. 168, crew door. 166. A little bit of noise coming from behind this one. Not sure if you can hear it or not. 164, 162, 160, 58, 56, 154, 152, 150, a little ramp right here, 148, 46, crew door, some noise coming from behind here too. I'm not sure if you can hear it. 144, 142, 140, crew door emergency exit. 138, 136, 134, and 132. Here's sort of one of the midship elevators and stairs. Again, I already called out 132, 130 and 128 with a crew door, 126, 124, crew door with a little bit of noise, 122, 120, 118, 116, 114, 112, 110, and 108. Again, another set of the sort of midship elevators and stairs. Again, 108, 106, 104, 102, 100, 98, crew door. 96, kind of loud back there, equipment area. 94, 92, 90, 80, 88, emergency exit crew door. 86, ramp. 84, 82, 80, 78, 76, crew door. 74, 72, 70, 68, crew door with a little noise right there. Another crew door. 66, 64, 62, 60, 58. We started on the other side. I want to make sure we get these. 56, 54, 52, 50, 48, 46, emergency exit crew door. 44, 42, 44, 40, not 44, 38, 36, 34, sorry about that, 32, 30, 28, 26, 24, 22, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, and last but not least, 8002, and an emergency exit. So there you go, guys. We've gone 360 on deck 8. Don't forget, when you heard and or saw your cabin, make sure you leave a comment below that you saw it and when you're sailing on the MSC Magnifica. All right? Till we see you on one of the next decks or another ship, be safe.